1. For sale is a restored 1950 Ford Country Squire Woody Wagon from 2009, priced at $28,000. This stunning car has traveled 6,500 miles and represents a true masterpiece of automotive engineering and style. The captivating green body color, complemented by a brown interior, makes this unique Woody Wagon a genuine work of art. Equipped with an upgraded 5.0 fuel-injected Ford engine and an overdrive transmission, this car provides an incredible driving experience. Power steering and disc brake systems, along with comfort features like air conditioning, power windows, and cruise control, make this Woody Wagon an ideal choice for enthusiasts of style and performance. With this car, you can enjoy comfort and ease of handling, and its impeccable condition and clean title instill confidence in it being an investment in a unique historical vehicle. 2. For sale is a rare 1985 Maserati Coupe with only 20,049 miles for $5,950. This elegant car with an automatic transmission is a true find for collectors and enthusiasts of exclusive models. In excellent condition and without significant damage, this Biturbo impresses with its stylish black exterior, while the interior with beige finish is in excellent condition. With a clear title and no rust or accidents, this car provides a unique opportunity to acquire a beautiful Italian car with minimal mileage. Some touch-ups may be needed, but with new tires and a well-maintained body and interior, this Biturbo promises to be the star of your collection. Notably, there is no California registration, which may require additional formalities upon purchase. 3. For sale is a 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado for $25,000. This magnificent car, with a mileage of 55,082 miles, is a true classic and is available for a new owner. In excellent condition, this Toronado features the original Marsala paint and interior finish, creating an atmosphere of comfort and unique style. With its third owner and a clean title, the car preserves its originality, offering the buyer an authentic driving and collecting experience. This Oldsmobile Toronado retains its original beauty with the original paint and interior, making it a unique offering in the market. The new owner will have the opportunity to enjoy this iconic car in its pristine, distinctive form. 4. Currently available for purchase is the retro car, a 1956 Plymouth Belvedere, priced at $6,500. This nostalgic car from past decades comes in a distinctive pink color with a black interior, creating a unique appearance that is impossible to ignore. The seller and his spouse have decided to part with their car, affectionately named Pinky, in favor of a more suitable 1957 Buick Wagon. This Plymouth Belvedere is equipped with almost all conveniences: power steering, power brakes, a hardtop, a power pack engine, and an automatic push-button transmission. Although the car has undergone an old restoration and has some imperfections such as bondo, rust repairs, and a paint job of average quality, it is perfect for those who just want to enjoy the ride. It needs a slight carburetor adjustment, fixing a power steering leak, repairing the trunk lock, and addressing a vacuum brake booster leak. Despite its minor issues, this Plymouth Belvedere sounds fantastic and attracts admiring glances from onlookers. Its appearance and history make it an intriguing piece for collectors and enthusiasts of cars from that era. 5. For sale is a magnificent 1967 Chevrolet Camaro priced at $34,500. This car is a beautiful black Camaro with a black interior, creating a stunning appearance that is impossible to ignore. The car performs exceptionally well, thanks to its powerful 350 V8 engine with an aggressive valve distribution, 4-barrel carburetor, and exhaust manifolds. The smooth shifting of the TH350 automatic transmission adds comfort to the driving experience. This Camaro is also equipped with a powerful braking system, front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. The new wheels and tires not only enhance its external appearance, but also provide excellent grip on the road. The car has spent its life in California, highlighting its sturdy structure and lack of significant damage. A clean California title confirms the reliability and safety of this car. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is the perfect offering for those seeking a beautiful, powerful, and reliable classic car ready for exciting journeys. 6. For sale is a unique 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega priced at $17,995. This rare car is a true gem for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. With this Cosworth Vega, you get something extraordinary: an aluminum engine with a dual overhead camshaft. This engine not only ensures incredible performance, but also adds uniqueness to this car. Coupled with a 4-speed manual transmission, it provides lively and enjoyable driving. This car is in excellent condition, which is rare for its year. Its exterior is adorned with an elegant black color that complements gold details such as gold wheels and Cosworth emblems. The interior also retains its originality, even with a slight tear on the driver's seat. This Chevrolet Cosworth Vega is one of the 2061 produced in 1975, making it a true rare find. If you're looking for something special to enhance your collection, this car is worth your attention. 7. For sale is a well-maintained 1985 Chevrolet El Camino priced at $10,000, representing an excellent option for those who appreciate reliability and style. This car is a true time machine, transporting you from the past to the future with comfort and flair. Powered by a 305 cubic inch engine and an automatic transmission, this El Camino provides smooth and powerful driving. With a mileage of only 99,000 miles, the car has demonstrated its reliability and durability. The black exterior creates an elegant contrast with the blue interior, giving it a stylish and classic look. The car has recently passed an emissions inspection, ensuring its environmental friendliness and compliance with standards. This El Camino is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile vehicle that combines the functionality of a pickup with the style of a coupe. There is no rust, and it will remain a reliable companion in your everyday journeys. Don't miss the chance to purchase this car at a favorable price, $10,000 or best offer. 8. For sale is a magnificent 1961 Jaguar MK2 priced at $8,500, a true embodiment of style and elegance. This car, with its red exterior and interior, is a genuine work of art and represents an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts. Powered by a 3.8-liter engine and an automatic transmission, this Jaguar MK2 provides comfortable and confident driving. With a mileage of 144,000 miles, it demonstrates its reliability and durability, remaining the perfect companion for your automotive adventures. This California car with black license plates maintains its status as an original Californian. Everything is clean and tidy, making it a beautiful collector's piece. However, the seller notes that some additional work is required before embarking on longer journeys with confidence. Don't miss your chance to become the proud owner of this iconic car. Allow yourself to enjoy the atmosphere of luxury and vintage elegance behind the wheel of this 1961 Jaguar MK2, your faithful companion on the roads of time. 9. For sale is the exquisite 1985 Chevrolet El Camino Royal Knight, priced at $20,000, a true find for classic car enthusiasts. This truck is in perfect condition and has been impeccably maintained by 2 owners. It's worth noting that this car is valued between $20,000, $26,000 on the market. Originally equipped with a 305 cubic inch engine, this 1985 Chevrolet El Camino Royal Knight now features a powerful 350 cubic inch engine that has undergone a complete restoration. The engine is fitted with a small racing camshaft, a low-profile intake manifold, and a 650 cubic feet per minute Edelbrock carburetor. The fuel pump, intake manifold, and carburetor are all Edelbrock, made in the USA. Tuned exhaust manifolds paired with the dual Flowmaster exhaust system give this truck a distinctive sound and power. The automatic transmission is equipped with a 3,000 RPM torque converter, ensuring smooth shifts and maximum efficiency during fast driving. The positive characteristics of the Positraction differential, which uses both rear tires for movement, are also noteworthy. The vehicle is painted with Emron enamel, providing it with a durable and glossy exterior. This Royal Knight is not just a truck, it's a true work of art, designed for driving enjoyment and admiration from onlookers. Don't miss the opportunity to acquire this unique car in perfect condition. 10. For sale is the magnificent 1955 Chrysler Windsor priced at $28,995. A car that not only provides comfortable transportation, but is also a true work of art. With this car, you can enjoy stylish and comfortable rides on the streets. The mileage is 12,033 miles, and they are entirely original. This masterpiece starts instantly and is completely original, both on the outside and inside. The interior is done in a delicate turquoise shade, complementing the dual-tone turquoise and white body color. Its classic exterior makes this car a true gem. Owned by one family for over 40 years and passed down as an inheritance, this car is ready to find its new owner, someone ready to enjoy the driving experience. Under the hood of this car is a 5.0-liter V8. Thanks to careful maintenance and garage storage for most of its life, it is ready to pass on to the next generation and bring the joy of driving to a new owner. This 1955 Chrysler Windsor is not just a car. It's a story ready to continue its journey with a new driver who appreciates the style, comfort, and unique character of classic cars. Don't miss the chance to acquire this unique car in excellent condition.